Drop it.
Hey guys, welcome to the fourth video of my tutorial series, and in this one I'm going to teach you what I do once you set up the niche site that you have and what are some of the things that I put on the niche site every time I make a new one. So the first thing that I would always do is I would go to plugins and I would install two important plugins that I always use on every niche site, which is the XML sitemap. I believe it's the third one. Yep, it's the Google XML sitemaps. Install that. And then I would also install all-in-one SEO. That would be the second one, all-in-one SEO pack. So what both of these does is the Google XML sitemap will index your site within the first 4 to 5 days. And then the all-in-one SEO pack just makes it easier for your SEO, which I'll be showing you how to do it in a little bit. So, but these are two of the more basic ones that I always use. And the last one is usually included when you install using most of the WordPress installations. And Akismet is the one that you want to activate. And if you don't have one, activate it and then go sign up for a new account. It's free. And you can pretty much block comment spam. And if you don't want your niche site to have any comments, you go to the settings, you go to discussion, and then you just uncheck allow people to post comments on new articles, and then it will take away that, and then you don't have to deal with comments. So these are the three basic things that I always do. And if make sure you change your permalinks to post name, so that way you can have your SEO done on your URL as well. All right, so once you have that done, the next thing I would do is I would go to my theme and I would customize it. And I will go to my site title and tagline, and I will put the keyword for my site title. So my site title is going to be Boom Beach Guide. So that's what I'll be putting here, and put master just to add on there so it doesn't look like it's too clumped with the keyword. So once you have that done, you'll close it. And just for reference on the home page, what I always do with the home page is I always have this basics. So the basics is your keyword, right? So you have your title, Boom Beach Guide for beginners. So that will be my keyword right here. And I will have a picture. And if you look at the picture here, hold on one sec. The picture, you want to set the alternate text as Boom Beach Guide for beginners as well. So in my case, Boom Beach Guide, my keyword, so that would be Boom Beach Guide for beginners. It doesn't really matter what the picture is going to be, just you just need that as your title. So the Google search engine can pick it up. So back to the home page, and I always put either in this case I put iTunes as my authority site. You want to link to an authority site, it really helps. It doesn't have to be iTunes. It could be, most people can do Wikipedia. You could do dictionary.com, any of the really powerful like high PR pages. PR7 or higher would be ideal. So, it's just good. It helps you rank better as well. And then the next thing I would do is I would start making the basic silo for the site. So in case you don't know what the silo is, it's basically just a certain way to link, and it'll help you rank better. So I've done a little picture of it to show you how it works, and let me explain to you what all these mean. So for example, if you want your homepage to be the most important page, then you want to link it in such a way that the remaining your links all go to the homepage. So for example, right here, you have keyword 1, 2, and 3. So for example, keyword 1 will have maybe like a mini keyword that you might be targeting, and that will be like the sub keyword of it. And then what you would do is you would link the sub keyword back to the home page. So anytime you link down, say you have another sub keyword, mini keyword that you want to rank for, they will all go back to the home page. So that way, when you link, people link to your site to whatever page, the link juice gets passed down to other pages as well. So it's really effective. So Google can really pick that up and then it'll help rank your site a lot better. So let me show you on my site how it's done so you kind of get it. So as you can see, this is my homepage, and you see right here you have troops, strategy, play on PC, base design, right? So this is my key. Let's take troops for example. That would be my keyword 1, and I have a sub keyword that you will be seeing in a little bit. So on troops I have, you know, rifleman, heavy, Zuka, blah blah blah. So this is my sub keyword, right? So if I click on my sub keyword, it will take me to the sub keyword, and then I will link it back to the home page, and I'll be back at my home page. So basically that will keep the link juice passed around your website, and then it will really help rank your site. And there you go. So the reason for building the silo is such that when you build links to just one page, your other pages will get the link juice as well. So as you can see right here, I'm ranking number 1. My site is called boombeachguide.com, and it's ranking number 1 for Boom Beach Guide. So this is actually still a new game that's only available in Canada, but it's gonna come out the next month, which is March 2014. I did this video on February 27, 2014, so it will come out next month, and I'm anticipating that it will get a lot of searches and it's gonna be a good game. So one of the good perks about the silo is it also ranks some of my other pages without me having to build links to it. So for example, for Boom Beach Strategy, it's right now ranking number 10, and that's me not doing any linking to that specific page. So that is the result that I get for building links to just the home page, and all my other pages get the link juice as well. So I highly recommend that you do it. It's not like, you know, you have to do it, but that's the result that I get for building the silo. So I highly recommend that you do it. And last but not least, don't forget to put a privacy policy on your site. And the place where I get this is called generateprivacypolicy.com. Go there and get started, and make sure you sign up for an account. It's free, and follow the steps there, and you can get your own. And just make sure you put them anywhere on your site. Anywhere you can put it top left or top at the bottom of the footer. Doesn't really matter. Just make sure you put them on. Alright, so now you kind of get a full idea of how I built my gaming niche sites. And in the next series, I'll be talking about building backlinks and the free methods and the paid methods. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.